Hello, it's Gosia, and today I'm going to show you how you can generate a payment QR code using our Fena Business Portal. So once you logged in into your account on business.fena.co and you click on payments here in the navigation bar and then click on QR code payments, you'll be able to see this screen. And this is basically a list of all your transaction, all your QR code payment transaction. And here you have a button, create payment, and that's where you can create a QR code payment. So I'm going to click on this. Here we have a short summary of how you can generate a payment, a QR code for a specific transaction. So what you need a reference number. I'm just going to use a random reference number. You can choose which integration you want to go with. Integration are usually linked to different banks account. In my case, I'm just going to go with the default integration. For this specific case, I will not need a customer name to send it to. I will request, I don't know, £5. I want to have £5 QR code. I don't want any notes, but you can add your notes. It's completely up to you. You can also set up the due date for the payment, or I want to have an open payment date. And I am going to send this QR code to myself. So I'm just going to use one of my email addresses. And I'm going to distribute this to that email address. I don't want to CC anyone in that email, so I'm just going to remove that. And for now, I'm going to save it as a draft, so you can see what happens when the draft is sent. So the draft is being saved here. You can see that you have a message here that your payment is still in draft. You can delete it from here. You can edit it. And if you go back to payments, you can see that this payment is currently in the draft. So if I click for here, I'm select, yeah, I am ready to approve this payment. So I'm just going to approve this payment. Now, two things happen. The payment link has been generated from here, but also a QR code has been generated. And you can download this QR code from here. You can see that the QR code has been downloaded. And here, this is how it looks, the QR code. And then when we go back to my screen, here we go, we're back to our screen. And I also mentioned that I sent it to myself. So here we have a payment request. Obviously, I did not fill in the name, so there's no name. And you get a quick summary, and you have this QR code attached to this, or you can have a payment link as well. So your payer, they have a choice. They can either follow a link or they can scan a QR code, whatever works best for them. I think that's pretty much it from this section. So now when you go back to payments, you can see that £5 request has been sent, hasn't been paid yet, but once it's going to be paid, you get a paid status. If you would like to learn more about Fena Business Portal and our open banking payments, please do email us on support@fena.co. You can also drop me a line to gosia@fena.co as well. In the meantime, have a lovely day and see you soon.